What is up everybody and welcome back to the Maths Guide. Today we're going to be looking at how to find the perimeter of compound shapes. So let's begin. And first of all I can notice I have a missing value here, this question mark. So let's see what we've got. We've got 10 centimeters at the top, 2 centimeters, then 30 millimeters. Then we have this gap which we don't know. Then we have 70 millimeters and 7 centimeters. So let's start by converting all of our units. And I think because at the top we have centimeters, let's keep everything in centimeters. So I have 10 centimeters, we'll keep that there, 2 centimeters, and then here I have 30 millimeters. Well, we have 10 millimeters is the same as 1 centimeter. So if we have 30 millimeters, that must equal 3 centimeters. So I can get rid of this and put 3 centimeters here. And again, across the bottom I have 70 millimeters, so therefore that must equal 7 centimeters. And then I have 7 centimeters on this side as well. So now that I've converted all of my units, I need to look at stage 2. And step 2 says, find any missing lengths. So how are we going to do that? Well, we have this missing length here. How are we going to see what its value is? Well, we need to look opposite. And if we look at this length here, we can see the opposite length is 7 centimeters. But that 7 centimeters includes this area here that we don't need. So how do we get rid of this value here? Well, let's look next door and we can see that this value is 2 centimeters. So what we need to realize is that if this whole length is 7 centimeters and this little area here is 2, then the rest of it must be the difference between 7 and 2. And to work out the difference between 7 and 2, I can just do 7 subtract 2 equals 5. So this value here, where the question mark was, must be 5 centimeters. And we can check that by saying, well, if this is 5, and I add the 2 that was here, 2 plus 5 equals 7, which is the same as the opposite angle. So everything's correct. So step 3 said, add all of our lengths. So again, I'm just going to use column method, start with my 10, then add my 2, then my 3, then my 5, then my 7, and then finally my last 7. Put my equal sign, 1s and 10s, and I'm ready to begin. In my 1s column, 0 plus 2 is 2, plus 3 is 5, plus 5 is 10, plus 7 is 17, plus 7 is 24. Put my 2 into the 10s column, my 4 into the answer, then look at my 10s column, 1 and 2 equals 3. So my answer is 34. So the perimeter of this compound shape is 34 centimeters. Or if I wanted to put it in millimeters, I would need to understand there are 10 millimeters to every centimeter, so it's going to be 10 times larger, so it'll be 340 millimeters. And there we have it. That is how to find the perimeter of compound shapes. Hopefully this video has been helpful for you. If it was, think about subscribing to the channel or heading over to themathshelter.com where you're going to find loads more videos covering everything that you need to know about primary maths. But for now guys, I'm going to see you in another video. Peace out.